Amsterdam, the capital of the Netherlands, is one of the 10 most popular cities in the world. Amsterdam is internationally known for its coffee shops, gay pride, and red light district. This district stretches across an area of 62,500 square meters. How many prostitutes do you think work at the red light district? Are you curious about the best places to visit in Amsterdam? You wouldn't want to miss any of the following top 5 attractions or top 5 places in Amsterdam. At the end of the video, we will give 2 bonus tips. Number 5. De Jordaan. The popular neighborhood of Jordaan, one of Amsterdam's must-see locations, is known for its canals. You can find a variety of restaurants, bars, antique stores, and art galleries while strolling through Jordaan. Previously a working-class neighborhood, it is now a busy, pricey, and upscale area. Additionally, it is the site of the Anne Frank House. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 4. Canal Cruise. Amsterdam would not be the same without its canals, and sailing through them, or even having dinner or an aperitif on board, will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. You can choose to simply cruise Amsterdam's canals, or you can create a truly memorable experience by unwinding for nearly 2 hours on an evening cruise that includes a delectable tasting of genuine Dutch cheese and regional charcuterie, as well as a drink and a special welcome with a glass of Prosecco. Number 3. De Negenstraatjes. The Negenstraatjes neighborhood in Amsterdam is known as 9 Little Streets. The area is full of picturesque monuments, authentic shops, and special restaurants. It is also dotted with chic cafes and hotels. The 16th and 17th centuries saw the construction of the waterways that connect the streets of the Negenstraatjes neighborhood. During the Dutch Golden Age, wealthy merchants commissioned the construction of gabled townhouses along the city's canals. Number 2. Van Gogh Museum. One of Amsterdam's top tourist attractions is the residence of Vincent van Gogh's letters and artwork. His works are exhibited in chronological order so that viewers can see his vibrant style. A 4-story structure with his artwork on display was created by Gerrit Rietveld. More than 200 paintings, his struggles, the enormous efforts made to restore his work, as well as the works of other artists like Millet, Dabingi, and Gauguin, are displayed on the various floors, each of which has a unique style. Number 1. Anne Frank House. During World War II, Anne Frank was hiding from the brutality of the Nazi authorities for about 2 years. The Anne Frank House has been transformed into a museum so that visitors can experience and closely observe how they managed to survive here. After her father published Anne's diary, which contained details and incidents about their life in the secret building, this location gained notoriety. By visiting this house, you can learn about her life and experience it for yourself. Bonus tip number 1. Amsterdam's red light district is known as Europe's sex paradise. Each day, 750 prostitutes are working in this area. At the same time, it is one of the most beautiful and oldest parts of the city. Every year, millions of tourists seeking pleasure visit the red light district. The red light district is easily accessible from the main train station. Bonus tip number 2. In De Piep, you'll find ethnic restaurants, eclectic shops, and the peaceful Sarfati Park. Monday through Saturday, you'll also find the famous street market, Albert Kuip Market. De Piep has a Heineken brewery, which receives more than 500,000 visitors each year because of its popular beer. We hope you have a fantastic stay in Amsterdam while using our tips. Thanks for watching.